girl. Look out! Good morning. Come on! You idiot! Buongiorno. Come on. Come on now. Get moving, will you?
The skies are blue like the sea.
Hello!
Yeah! Come on now.
What is the problem here?
Morning, mister.
Throw himself under the blue train yesterday. Damn.
Sussex. That boy is too skipped
No trouble
from
yourself.
a straight jacket.
Ain't that the truth?
What's it to be?
Come on, folks. Get your meat here.
Deal.
Hey. How's you?
Real fine.
People really enjoy that. Can't get a lick of honest work. All these damn foreigners coming through.
Pleasure.
Hey there, girl.
Good morning. Morning.
Hi there, mister.
Good morning, you hear? Yeah, yeah.
My husband was working a railroad that night of the robbery. Said one was a Mexican and one was a German. You couldn't make this up.
Saludos.
Morning, Dave.
Oye, cuidado.
Not sure I believe this, but my husband said he saw a boy selling
Good
a
morning,
two-headed
sir.
goat on the...
Hey, folks.
Howdy.
How's
Happy
things?
to assist you in a moment. Better.
Well, thanks.
Bye.
Morning.
Morning to you, sir.
Hey, y'all.
Good morning to you.
Hey.
Morning, mister. Hello, mister. Hello. Excuse me, madam, behind you. May I say you're looking lovely today?
Good morning, sir.
I am.
Hello. How are things with you?
Morning to you, Pop.
Pardon me.
Excuse me.
Yeah, hardy har har.
You waiting for somebody to do the work for you? Might want to get comfortable.
Hey there, partner.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Sorry.
Watch yourself.
Buying or selling? All made to measure.
I got fresh vegetables for sale here.
You been up to the ridge west of Annisburg? Good hunting. You meet a falconer named Jerry. Tell him I said hi.
Right here, folks. I got fresh vegetables.
Name Ricardus mean anything to you? It's what the folk out of LeGras took to calling this one gator out in the bayou. Supposed to be the biggest ever seen.
Hello,
Right, let's see.
You won't find fresher fruit than right here, folks.
All right, let's have a look.
Hey, dear.
你呢塊點啊
Thanks, mister.
Hello.
So now, it's 2 in the morning and I still cannot find my other shoe. No, you tied the book to your foot? How could you? The mud was everywhere. I needed to get to the house before Carlo did. It was the only way. I cannot. A first printing, no less. All'inferno c'è un'ora apposta per te, amico mio.
It was a royal attempt,
Okay,
but not quite
enough.
good enough.
We should be
Claude
keeping an eye
Jarreau
out.
has survived worse. If you're buying or selling, fine, but you are not welcome to linger. This is not a social house, you know.
I just hope nobody's missing this too much.
Hello, sir. Hello, pretty lady.
先生，你好。
Ah.
Hey, partner.
Hello, sir.
Out of the damn way!
Enjoy the show, if that's possible. It's a free show, so don't come asking for a refund.
I just don't like how much time you're spending with the man is all.
Just wait until you see his work. It's very progressive.
Well, I'm not so very sure how I feel about progression. Paintings or otherwise.
Come on. You won't have seen the like of it before. I promise.
Maybe that's a good thing.
I think that it's Greek. Or could be Roman.
That's far too modern for my taste.
Look at these idiots.
He's just a terrible... Excuse me, Mr. Chatternet. Couldn't you have painted some drawers on her?
Madame, I paint her in her natural state, as she was and will be in paradise.
There's nothing natural about that.
Clothes are civilization, repression, death. To be naked is to be free, innocent, alive. Like Buddha said, you know, we are all just here to fuck.
Well, that explains the decadence of those Hottentots.
Hey, you got a picture of my wife here. In her delicates.
Henry, is that your behind? Why would you be showing it to that man?
That's my mama. As nude as the day she was born.
Stop looking at my husband's buttocks.
Stop looking at my mama.
Well, maybe she shouldn't have exposed herself like that.
This is disgusting.
The nerve on you!
That's it!
Come on, Mildred. This is no place for us.
Come here!
Son of a bitch!
You filthy little man! Oh! Oh! Come on, horse, we'll leave it!
Hey, I'm coming after you, Frenchie!
Hey,
All right.
who's talking now, huh? Charles, where are you?
Allez, vite! This show is well and truly over. Let's get out of here. Come on, I know a place where I can disappear for a few days. This way, come on. I think we are okay. The exhibition, what can you say? It was not boring, huh? Why?
That it was not.
Here to test people. Push them. I thought I was a fraud, a no-talent brushwasher. Now I'm not sure. We provoke emotions, no?
You keep provoking emotions like that, and all your canvases will have punch holes through.
I told you I was a whole ass.
You did, and you are. Now maybe go be an asshole somewhere else for a while.
Ah, here we are. I know a lady over here. She may let me stay for a while.
Good luck.
That picture I gave you, it will be worth something someday. I can feel it.
Perhaps. Right now, seems like the only thing it'd get me is kicking the balls.
Oh, you are funny, you know. I hope to see you again sometime. My angel, my little bird, it's me!
Yeah? What?
Hey there!
You're okay, girl.
Hey, mister! Wait up a spell, partner. Hello there.
¡Más rápido!
Yeah.
Between badness and wild athletes, you gotta be careful. Uh-huh.
Easy now.
Hey! Who's there?
It's me.
You're alive.
Easy, easy. Real good there, girl.
I thought you'd run off to join the circus.
Huh? Circus? No.
Come here, Arthur.
You worried your mother half to death.
Say, Morgan.
I was fine. Really, I was. Oh, it's Italian beef. I don't know how to explain.
Was it nice?
Yeah, really nice.
And the people?
They were nice too. Everything was very, well, different. I slept in a bed in a room.
Easy there.
Well, little prince, tomorrow we begin reading again.
What do you want?
Always full of sunshine, ain't you? Old Misery Guts Morgan.
What do you want, Micah?
Well, I want a friend, Arthur. I want hope. I want tomorrow to mean more than today. I want this whole damn shit show to have some kind of meaning I haven't understood. But I ain't holding my breath.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
So, instead of that, how about you and me go and redistribute some property?
Redistribute?
Yep. From the Bowles Overland Stagecoach Company into our pockets.
And you'll fight this time?
I always fight!
No, you always talk. But with coaches, guns are more significant than words.
Oh, I'm fine with both, friend.
Yeah. Come on, then.
You think we need an extra gun?
Probably a good idea.
Bill, come on!
What are we doing?
Coach, stick up.
Well, excellent. I'm in.
Micah and Bill? This is a death sentence.
There's a good spot where we can hit it as it comes over the river into the swamps north of here.
You got an actual plan this time?
I got 3 sticks of dynamite, I got 2 pistols, I got you and Bill. That count as a plan?
Not really. Well, let's go.
I'm joking.
So, who told you about this? Please tell me it wasn't an O'Driscoll this time.
Nope, a man on the inside at Bowles Overland. You can keep your funny little station friend in Rhodes. I go right to the source.
Why did he tip?
You all. Charm, Bill. Not something you can learn, I regret to inform you.
Very true. You're proof of that.
Amusing. Charm. And a little money.
Right.
Which I recovered the next day when he met with a tragic boating accident. See, I don't like leaving trails, unlike the rest of you.
What do you mean by that?
We keep leading trouble right to us. We're carrying too much dead weight. We need to be leaner so we can move faster, quieter. I prefer a tight crew. Just 5 or 6 strong gunmen.
Well, nobody's stopping you. There's a whole world out there. Go find the strong men you want and leave.
Hey, I like you boys. And with the price on our heads, we are wedded in this chaos, for better or for worse at this point. It would be a coward's move to bail on Dutch now. Not like John did. Heard about him disappearing on you fellers. For a year, wasn't it?
Something like that.
I don't trust him. I've been talking to Dutch. Feels to me like he's turned, challenging every move Dutch makes. I know you have your doubts about him too, Morgan.
I got no doubts about John. I've known him for 15 years.
Well, if we really are gonna escape somewhere, like me and Dutch have been talking about, let's cut across here. It'll be quicker. We're gonna need to cut some loose. From what Dutch says, the coffers are looking pretty good again. We could almost leave now if we chopped half the dead wood.
We ain't doing that.
I mean, why the hell do we need a gaggle of girls who won't even fuck you if you put a gun to their head? I'm sure you've tried. Is it too much to ask? Consider...
Why you come?
Everyone does their share. I don't see you lifting a finger around camp.
Swanson does his share. Molly, come on.
No, that's different.
What are we stopping for? See, this is what I mean. I've always liked Abigail, though. That's my kind of girl. You're going the wrong way. Sully, but strong.
Well, I don't get the sense the feeling is mutual.
You just don't understand women, Morgan.
You got that right.
Who you got your eye on then, Bill?
Oh, I don't believe in attachments. Never have. You get soft, you get dead, in my experience.
I ain't talking about getting attached. Well, not in that sense. Okay, here we are.
Whoa there.
I'll get the explosives planted. Coach should be coming through any minute now. I'll set them in the road over here so we can blow it when it comes over the bridge. Got some good cover over here. You hide behind this tree to my left, Morgan. Williamson, you take the other side. Try to stay out of sight. We don't want to spook them. Here they come. You gonna shoot the charges, Morgan? About time you did something.
Why me?
Because I got the lead on this. And Williamson's a half-wit. Hey! I'm joking, Bill.
Got it. Yeah, we're looking good.
All right. Best we get out of here. We'll split that up later. I trust you, cowpoke.
Go on. I'll see you back at camp. Over there. Okay, my girl. Yep. Easy. Slow up now. Yep. Slow it up. Yeah. Good girl. There, girl. Easy. Whoa. Come on, girl.
Hi, cowpoke.
Let's go, girl. There he is.
Hello again, Arthur.
How you doing, Mrs. Adler?
How are you? Been quite a journey since I joined you fellas.
Yes.
And now you and Dutch have joined high society. Oh, Lord above.
Yeah, it seems so.
I think my days in polite society are over.
Well, I just saw Bill Williamson at a party at the San Denise's mayor's house. If he can do it, anyone can.
You get any leads?
Yeah, I think so.
You know so, Arthur Morgan. Come on. We need to talk. Mrs. Adler, will you excuse us?
When you gonna let me come robbing with you, Dutch?
My lord, a few more like her, we could take over the whole world.
Yeah. A few more like her, there wouldn't be much of a world left.
Yes, perhaps.
Now, the trolley bus station. I went down there. I took a look at it. I think we can hit it.
I ain't never robbed in a city before.
Well, you leave the planning to me. You'll ride with me?
Always. Is it just you and me?
No, we'll need one more, I reckon.
I say Lenny.
Not Micah.
Well, that depends if you want a massacre or a payday.
No, I wish that there was something I could do to make the two of you get along better.
Well, that's easy. Make them change.
Very funny.
What is that?
What the hell have they done to me?
Look, there in the tree line.
Everybody take cover! O'Driscoll boys are coming!
Down there. Arthur, now, go on.
Damn crap. Come on. Damn Driscoll.
What's happening, Driscoll? Get up there.
How are you? Been quite a journey since I...
Rescue you! Hold your ground!
Some crap. Come on, damn Driscoll.
What's happening? Driscoll!
Hold in here. Stay away from the window.
You tell Mr. Pearson.
Get inside fast. Come on, quick. Hold up. Come on, back.
Get these windows covered quickly. John, you take the windows over there. Charles, you take the side door there. Arthur, you take the windows in the back. Go!
I always say that Kieran's lost his head.
Accounted for, I think. Hey! Everyone! Sadie, I gotta go help her. Cover me!
Who's this lady here? Dutch old fondness for women.
Hold on, girl! Sadie? Why didn't you get inside?
And miss all this? Come on, Arthur.
Now we go back. We need you in the house.
Oh, no, they don't.
We okay? I think so. Except for Karen here. Poor kid. Mr. Swanson, would you take this boy and bury him someplace near, but not too near?
Of course. Charles, help me with the body.
We need to get this place cleaned up. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw.
Already taking care of it. Come on now, work.
Colm O'Driscoll.
That man can really hate.
So can I, Arthur. So can I. We need to get moving. Away from here.
So we should start looking for another camp.
You ain't thinking big enough, Arthur. You ain't seeing the vastness of our problems and our opportunities.
I'm not sure I get you.
You will, son. You will. Meet me near the trolley station. We got work.
Shall we?
Yep.
He saved my life, and I could not save his. Mrs. Adler fought braver than any of us. She is driven by powerful forces I scarcely understand. That's what love has done to her, I guess.
Hello.
Arthur, I can't believe those pigs did that to him.
To Kieran?
He was such a gentle soul.
Yeah, he saved my life one time. I'll miss him.
You make the bastards pay, Arthur.
If we get the chance, we surely shall.
Another day.
It'll be okay, Molly.
Okay? How is any of this okay? Kieran and Sean are dead. Dutch is hardly speaking to me.
Sir.
How are things?
Oh, not the greatest.
I know the feeling. Hola.
How's that food looking?
Believe me, you'll be the first to know.
Hey.
You all right, Reverend?
Just trying to make sense of this. I'm scared.
Morning.
You okay?
I thought we were safe here.
Never make that mistake.
Jose.
Arthur, don't forget, I'm more than happy to craft you something if you bring me the right materials.
Oh, hey, Javier.
Hi.
You'll need to bring me the right materials first, Mr. Morgan.
I reckon I need to get my hands on some material first.
Don't forget to go hunting, Mr. Morgan.
Yeah, I hear you. Sorry, got nothing for you right now. Whoa, whoa!
Been too many Federals coming through. Might have got some horse sense. What in the hellfire? Yeah! Hello!
Hey, slow the hell down!
scattered bunch, and we didn't leave no survivors. There you are. Come on, keep walking. You're late.
Couple of days in this place, you turned into some clock-watching city boy. What's the urgency?
We need to leave. Forever. We've been doing well, making money, but for us all to leave together, we need enough for a boat. Now, I found a friendly ship captain. He's willing to take us to Australia or Tahiti. We just need to pay for passage and give him money for land when we get there. No questions asked. We will disappear, be reborn.
Well, where the hell is Tahiti?
South Pacific, an untouched paradise.
Who lives there?
Tahitians, I guess.
We made a bit of money on that riverboat job, but not enough for us to leave and live peacefully. Where's the rest coming from?
In there.
So we are gonna rob that place?
Well, I didn't think we was fixing the plumbing. I don't know if you have noticed, but we are on the clock. I reckon we got a few days before the Pinkerton show, and then, well, we're done. Now, we need money. Bronte said this place has got money. Come on. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Behave as I tell you, and none of you will die. Annoy me, and you all will. Now remember, we just want money. Don't make us kill you.
Give me your money.
Leave
Ain't worth dying.
folks of their valuables. Mr. S, check that room back there. I got this one. Dying. That's your choice, not mine. Kindly open that gate and let my acquaintance inside.
Okay, give me everything you got. Quick.
Okay.
Fine, it's yours. And let my acquaintance in. Yes, of course.
All your money now. Don't make me ask
There's
twice.
nothing much here.
Right.
What?
There's nothing really here.
You're sure?
Yes.
Then get out here and get ready for company. All of you! Behave. We don't want to hurt any of you. Mr. M, check the safe.
Sure. Open it.
I don't think they keep much cash in there.
Open it! There's almost nothing here.
There should be stacks of cash in there. He told us there was. Look again.
There's no stacks. A few dollars in coins, that's it.
Damn! We got a problem. There's a ton of cops out there.
Come on now! We got you surrounded!
That greasy son of a bitch! He set us up! You think? This seemed like a good time for sarcasm to you, Arthur.
What we gonna do, gentlemen?
Something! The trolley. The trolley! Follow me, gentlemen! Go now!
Go! Does this trolley go to Tahiti?
I hope so. On the north, fellas. We got more on the right. Watch those side alleys, Arthur.
We got someone about you too. Some riders coming on this side.
Arthur, cover our left, plenty. Need you on the left now, Arthur. Come on.
Stop goggling and get out.
Coming out of the bank on the right. Bronte is gonna pick outside the saloon. Yeah. You're really... Here, Arthur, slow us down. Slow this thing down.
I'll try. The thing's broke. Hold on! You okay there?
everything.
You stay down. I'll hold them all.
Take them out.
Looks like they ain't giving up yet.
Just head straight for the bridge.
Damn! They blocked the road!
Hold on. Use this.
Try to shoot it, Arthur! That'll do it!
We're through.
You see any more?
Just keep going, kid.
You okay back there?
Don't worry about me. Just get us out of here.
Yep! Whew. I think we're clear.
You know what, Dutch? Next time, let's not damn discretion.
Seemed like a good lead.
I know, but...
Well, we made it. Thanks to you.
Don't mention it.
Yeah.
You're a good kid.
And we each got $15. Oh, and a quarter. Don't forget the quarter.
Shut up, Arthur. He set us up. Played me like a yokel. Put the law on us. What did we do to him? What did I do to him?
I guess he thinks he's the king around here. He don't want the likes of you. So, what are we doing next, Dutch?
We just need money. One more decent take, and we're gone. The bank is our bet. Hosea agrees.
Even after that?
Especially after that. I don't feel so good.
Now you just got a bash on the head.
Come on. I'm taking you back to camp.
Hey, you did real good there, Lenny. Just wish it could have turned out better.
Well, can't win them all.
Yeah!
Easy. There we go. Whoa, now.
Hands where I can see them.
Okay there.
Hey, you Lemoyne Raiders, ain't you? May well be. Think those ragdoll outfit. I'll riddle you. Damn it all. Guess they got what was coming to them. Jesus.
Okay, girl. Yep. Easy there. Hey there, girl. Yeah. Whoa. Easy. Easy, easy. Girl. Slow up now.
Partner, why are you creeping about with that on your face?
You all right, girl? Easy now.
Hey, mister. Oh, hey, friend.
You boys don't look so fresh.
We ain't. I think we're dying, friend. We ate some bad mushrooms.
Bad business, sure.
It's been real tough, partner.
So it seems.
I hate to ask, but we need some medicine. Kind of fast.
Medicine?
Yeah, look at us. Look at me. And he's worse than he looks. Oh. And he looks like shit. He ain't gonna last 3 days. And me, I ain't well. Not at all.
Not at all.
I'm begging you, partner. Why? I told you you'd help us. I told you, did I?
You did. You told me. You told me a lot of things.
We're gonna be all right, buddy.
Are we?
Well, physically. Drink this.
I'll give it to Black first.
No. Don't give it to White.
No.
Drink this and shut
Take it.
up.
Thank you.
Oh, that's good stuff. Ooh.
But listen, I reckon you boys should get on out of here. Maybe split up. Head up north or overseas. They don't like groups of men. I know.
I hear you, boss. It's time. Oh, once we're better.
Oh, yeah, well, I agree. I mean, I can't wait to be witty here.
Yeah.
Look, we got what
Load up.
down to the bullet.
Who the hell did you rob for all this?
Hey, you ask no questions, I tell no lies. That's all yours once you hand me the money. Wagon 2.
Walk.
Don't need more guns in the hands of those fools. Okay then, girl. Yep. There we go. Yeah. Okay there.
Who's there?
It's Arthur. You're back.
Whoa, easy. Rode well, girl.